Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Lecturer Dr. Kaharudin SEPM Home. My name is Nurul Hidayati. I'm from class PBIA. In this video, I will explain what I understand from the material about vowels, British English, and American English. First, simple vowel sound. A simple vowel is created when a speaker produces a vowel sound without moving the tongue, lips, and mouth, or the speech organ are in a relatively unchanged position. As an example, eat, sing, ling, ill. Next, as for complex vowels, which are formed by the combination of two vowels in one syllable, where the sound begins as one vowel and changes to another vowel sound in the same syllable. In producing this vowel sound, the shape of the speaker's mouth usually changes. As an example, pray, say, day. Front vowels of American English and British English. The production of vowel sounds will be discussed in the types of vowels found in American English and British English. Number one, front vocals. The front vowel American English and British English. The front vowels American English and British English are articulate using the front of the tongue raised toward the hard palate and made with non-rounded lips. Vowel production is done by pushing the tongue forward and up. The types of front vowels are high front unrounded vowels, mild high front unrounded, and mild low front unrounded. Central vowels in American English and British English. According to Williams 2015, there are two types of central vowels commonly used by native speakers of American English, but sometimes also used by native speakers of British English. That is, the first, mid-central unrounded neutral vowels. This vowel is made in three ways. Pronounced by raising the tongue in the center position. The center of the tongue is used to articulate this vowel, and the shape of the lips when making this vowel is not round, neutral, or a position where the lips are not rounded or widened. Number 2, low central unrounded vowel. This vowel sound is articulated in 3 terms, namely, it is made by placing the tongue in a downward position. It is articulate using the center of the tongue, and also use a lip shape that is not round. Okay, next, central vowels in British English. British English also uses 2 types of center vowels, as I mentioned in American English, namely non-round middle vowels and non-round middle vowels. Okay, next, back vowels. The back vowels category has more voices than the front and middle vowels. Back vowels are made with the back of the tongue raised toward the soft palate or velum. Williamson, 2015, introduced the 5 types of back vowels found in American English and British English. 4 back vowels are produced with rounded lips and only 1 with non-rounded lips, as opposed to front vowels, which are all made with non-rounded lips. Next, the 2 back vowels are articulate with the tongue raised in a high position. 1 raised in a middle position and 2 raised in a high position in a low position. The sound is number 1, high back rounded vowels. Number 2, mid high back rounded vowel. Number 3, mid back rounded vowel. Number 4, low back unrounded vowel. And the last is low back rounded vowel. Okay, that's the explanation of me. Sorry for the mistake I might do during the explaining. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.